everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to make 10 types of patterns using magnetic gel. Since its release, magnetic gel has very popular and standard design. But how to make them sparkle and shine? To those who are not quite sure to use magnets, I will show you how to make 10 different patterns just by changing the way to apply the magnets. From very simple to more difficult, these designs will look super cute when you use as an accent in your nail design. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. This time, to make it easier to see the sparkle of the magnetic gel, I applied black as a base color and hardened it. Okay, let's start with the easiest one. First, apply and spread the magnetic gel over the entire nail. Then, prepare a specialized magnet for magnetic gel. And from directly above, away from the nail, apply the magnet at an angle to the nail and slowly bring it closer to the nail. To prevent the magnet from sticking to the nail, when it reaches about 5 mm away from the nail, hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds. Then, slowly lift the magnet up and away from the nail. If the magnet is moved to the side of the nail, the glitter on the magnet will move. So be sure to lift it upward as if going back the same way. This alone creates diagonal line. If you apply the magnet horizontally in the same way, you will get horizontal line. And if you apply it vertically, you will get vertical line. This is a very easy method and recommended for beginners. Next, I'll show you how to make your entire nail sparkle with magnetic gel. Apply magnetic gel to the entire nail. Then, prepare a magnet. First, apply the magnet vertically from the side of the nail from a little distance away, slowly moving it closer to the nail. When it reaches the point where the magnetic gel begins to move, stop there and rotate the magnet slightly toward the nail. Repeat the same process from the top, bottom, left and right around the nail to make your entire nail sparkle. The magnetic gel looks sparkly even when you just apply it. But it looks even more sparkly when you apply a magnet like this. This shining is the most attractive feature of magnetic gel, so this is the most popular way to move it. Next, let's create another pattern. After applying the magnet from around the nail and making the entire nail sparkle, place the magnet at the base of the nail and slowly move it towards the tip of the nail. Push the magnet's glitter into the tip of the nail, and when you have pushed it halfway in, return the magnet to the base of the nail. This way, it is very easy to create a magnetic gel gradation. If the glitter is reduced by half when you push it in, you can revive the glitter by placing the magnet only over the tip of the nail. In this case too, the glitter will reappear if you twist the magnet upwards. Next, moving on to the advanced one. Let's create a pattern using 2 magnets. First, attach 2 of these square magnets vertically. Hold it like this and slowly move it over the nail with the magnetic gel. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then, pull the magnet straight back up to complete the crisscross pattern in an instant. This is very stylish when incorporated as a one-point design for magnetic nails. The same pattern can also be used to create a cross pattern by placing the magnet at an angle to the nail. There is another pattern that can be made with these two magnets connected. Unlike the previous one, hold the magnet vertically and apply the magnet at an angle to the nail as it is. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then, lift the magnet straight back up and an S-shaped line will be created. Now, let's try it with two magnets attached side by side. Slowly move the magnet as is closer to the nail from directly above it. Hold them there for 2 to 3 seconds, and then move them back to directly above it. In this way, a pattern like the number 10 was created. Now, let's try using the round magnet attached to the other side of the square magnet. This is also very easy. Slowly bring the magnet closer to the nail from above. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. And then lift it straight up to create a pattern without glitter only where the magnet is placed. If you do the same on the right side and left side, you can create an hourglass-like pattern. Next, let's try to create a pattern using both square and round magnets. I will use the same method as before to create a pattern that looks like the sun shining. First, use the square magnet to gather the glitter to the right side. After you have gathered most of them, use the round magnet to push them to the left side from the right side. Pull the magnet straight up, and your sunlight is complete. Then, let's try French manicure. First, apply the magnet in the basic way, making the magnetic gel glitter all over the nail. Then, move the glitter from the base of the nail to about halfway up, as if creating a gradation. And use a round magnet to lightly place it on the nail from above to create a curve, completing the French manicure. Now, one last thing. After making the whole surface sparkle, use a round magnet to make two round patterns, placing on the top and the base as before. Once the two circles are formed, switch to a square magnet and pull it from the right side to the center and from the left side to the center to form the letter H. No matter which pattern you choose, when placing the magnet over the magnetic gel, be careful not to place it too close to the nail so that the gel does not stick to the magnet. If the gel gets on the magnet, or if you can't make the pattern and the glitter disappears, just stroke the surface of your nail with a brush. This will bring back the sunken glitter so you can try again as many times as you like. How did you find the 10 different ways to make magnetic patterns? You can create various patterns by applying the magnets in different ways, so please try it out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.